Baking Technician for Class 9th. Unit 1. Overview of the bakery sector. Session 3. Roles and responsibilities of a baking technician. Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series for the job role Baking Technician for Class 9th. Unit 1. Overview of the bakery sector. In previous video, you have learned about the categories of the bakery products. In this video, you will learn about the roles and responsibilities of a baking technician. Student, as you all know, a bakery is being headed by a head baker, and under them are employees tasked with different roles. There are two types of bakers in the baking industry. A craft baker produces baked products such as bread, puffs, cookies, cakes, pastries, desserts, etc. in artisan bakeries and patisseries. A plant baker produces and supervises the production of baked products in industrial units by various methods using various industrial equipment. Student, a baking technician helps the craft baker or plant baker in day-to-day operations of the bakery plant. A baking technician must have the ability to plan, organize, prioritize, calculate and handle pressure. She or he must possess reading, writing and communication skills. In addition, the individual must have the stamina to be able to stand for long hours, have personal and professional hygiene, and have an understanding of food safety standards and requirements. Students, let us now look into the roles and responsibilities of a baking technician. A baking technician has to prepare and maintain the work area, machinery and tools, to plan production, equipment utilization and manpower, to operate oven, plant and machinery and equipment in the synchronization with the proofing process, to prepare dough and to place it into the pans or sheets to keep into the oven for baking, to prepare baked products conforming to all the quality standards as per the standard operating procedures, to look post-production, cleaning and regular maintenance of equipment, to follow and maintain food safety and hygiene in the work environment. Now, students, let us understand all the above mentioned points in details. First, to prepare and maintain the work area, machinery and tools. Students, under this, a baking technician has to clean and maintain the cleanliness of the work area using the approved sanitizers and keep it free from dust, waste, flies and pests. Ensure that the work area is safe and hygienic for food processing. Dispose of waste material as per defined standard operating procedures and industry requirements. Check the working and performance of all machinery and tools used for production. Clean the machinery and tools used with approved sanitizer following specification and standard operating procedures. Place the necessary tools required for the process. Attend minor repairs or faults of machines if required. Second, to plan production, equipment utilization and manpower. Students, under this, a baking technician has to read and understand the production order from the supervisor, plan production sequence by grouping products that need to be baked immediately after mixing or creaming, grouping similar kinds of products like fermented products such as bread, buns, puff, etc. Grouping products that require the same process parameters like baking temperature, time, etc. Grouping products that require proofing process. Group products that do not impact the quality of the other when baked together. Planning maximum capacity utilization of the machinery. Prioritizing urgent orders. Check the working and performance of each piece of equipment required for the process, particularly the fuel flow and burner, proofer or oven, conveyor, control panel, etc. Calculate the processing time for each batch for effective utilization of the machinery. Plan to utilize machinery for multiple products without affecting the quality of the finished products and to optimize production and save energy. Allot responsibilities of work to the assistant and helpers. Third, to operate oven, plant and machinery and equipment in synchronization with the proofing process. Students, under this, a baking technician has to refer to the process chart or product flow chart for products to be baked, organize required oven racks or pans, arrange required cooling racks, prepare the proof box by setting parameters such as temperature, humidity, etc. Prepare and calibrate the oven in case of batch operation by preheating the oven to the specified temperature as per the oven chart. Prepare the conveyor in case of continuous operation by setting the speed of the conveyor, baking time and temperature controls. Ensure working and performance of equipments by starting equipments and observing gauges to maintain heat according to the specifications. Keep the tools accessible to attend minor repair or faults in case of breakdown. Handle emergencies while baking. Fourth, to prepare dough and placing it into the pans or sheets and to keep it into the oven for baking. Students, under this, a baking technician has to set the proof box to the required temperature and humidity following the proofing chart as per the specification and organization standards. Refer to the production chart or proofing chart to understand the loading sequence. Load the proof box following the production sequence. Monitor proof box parameters such as temperature or humidity. Monitor product in the proof box. Pull bread at specified heights from the proof box. Monitor the proof box and product coming out of the proof box. Fifth, to prepare baked products conforming to all the quality standards as per the standard operating procedures. Students, under this, a baking technician has to preheat the oven to a specified temperature and check humidity level. Refer to the production chart or proofing chart to understand the loading sequence and process parameters for each product to be baked. Set the oven parameters such as baking temperature and time for the product to be baked. Observe filled baking pans to be loaded in the oven to determine whether pans are filled to the standard. Load the ovens with the filled baking pans and check that dough pieces are placed corner to corner. Observe spacing between as per defined standard operating procedures. Monitor and control speed of the conveyor to control pans entering oven and to control baking time of various baking products in continuous operation. Monitor oven parameters such as temperature and time during the baking process. Observe the color of the baking product to detect under or overcooking and to achieve a finished product of uniform quality. Unload the oven when the baking process is complete. Check the quality of the product through sensory parameters such as color, size, appearance, texture, aroma, etc. Unload the pan or trays using the proper technique. This must be done immediately after being taken out of the oven to improve the overall shape of the bread. Place baked products on the cooling racks and transfer to the cooling room or cooling area. Sixth, to look post-production cleaning and regular maintenance of equipment. Student, under this, a baking technician has to clean the work area, machinery, equipment and tools using recommended cleaning agents and sanitizers. Attend minor repairs or faults of all machines if any. Ensure periodic maintenance of all machines and equipment following the standard operating procedures or following supplier's instruction or manuals. 7th, to follow and maintain food safety and hygiene in the work environment. Students, under this, a baking technician has to comply with food safety and hygiene procedures followed in the organization. Ensure personal hygiene by using gloves, hair nets, masks, earplugs, goggles, shoes, etc. Ensure hygienic production of food by inspecting raw materials, ingredients, finished product, etc. for compliance to physical, chemical and microbiological parameters. Pack products in appropriate packaging materials, label and store them in a designated area free from pests, flies and infestation. Clean, maintain and monitor food processing equipment periodically, using it only for the specified purpose. Use safety equipment such as fire extinguisher, first aid kit and eye wash station when required. Follow housekeeping practices by having designated areas for materials or tools. Follow industry standards such as good manufacturing practice and hazard analysis and critical control point and product recall process. Attend training on hazard management to understand types of hazard such as physical, chemical and biological hazard and measures to control and prevent them. Identify, document and report problems such as rodents and pests to management. Conduct workplace checklist audits before and after work to ensure safety and hygiene. Document and maintain raw material, packaging material, processed and finished products for the credibility and effectiveness of food safety control system. Determine the quality of food using criteria such as aroma, appearance, taste and best before date and take immediate measures to prevent spoilage. Store raw material, finished products, allergens separately to prevent cross-contamination. Label raw materials and finished products and store them in designated storage areas according to the safe food practices. Follow stock rotation based on first expired first out or first in first out. Student, now let us summarize what we have learned in today's lecture. A baking technician helps the craft baker or plant baker in the day-to-day operation of the bakery plant. A baking technician must have the ability to plan, organize, prioritize, calculate and handle pressure. The technician must possess reading, writing and communication skills. Also, the technician must have the stamina to be able to stand for long hours, have personal and professional hygiene, and have an understanding of food safety standards and requirements. The roles and responsibilities of a baking technician include to prepare and maintain the work area, machinery and tools, plan production, equipment utilization and manpower, operate oven, plant and machinery and equipment in synchronization with the proofing process, preparing dough and placing it into the pans or sheets to keep into the oven for baking, prepare baked products conforming to all quality standards as per the standard operating procedures, post-production cleaning and regular maintenance of equipment, follow and maintain food safety and hygiene procedures in the work environment. So students, that's all from this session. See you in the next video. Thank you.